The compressor start relay includes an overload protector that trips when the compressor motor overheats or locks up. The start relay sends current through the start and run windings to start the compressor motor, then cuts off current once the motor is running. If the compressor start relay is broken, replace it using the steps in this video. Before you begin, wear work gloves to protect your hands. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Remove the screws from the rear compartment cover and pull the cover off. Pry off the wire retainer holding the start relay on the compressor. Pull the start relay and run capacitor off the compressor. Disconnect the wire harness from the start relay. Transfer the run capacitor from the old start relay to the new one. Plug in the wire harness. Plug the new start relay into the compressor terminals. Reinstall the wire retainer to hold the start relay in place. Position the rear compartment cover on the back of the refrigerator and reinstall the mounting screws. Plug in the refrigerator to restore power.